What's going on, YouTube? This is Nate from Dogg Auto Customs, coming to you with a review I got, some of my spray gun collection, and we be doing a review from my last footage on these helmets here that was sprayed with the Mawata Supernovas, which came out pretty good. YouTube, these are straight off the gun. There's no wax, no nothing on them. Water, nothing. Also, YouTube just got in this Mawata Baleria. Get you a little closer to it, YouTube. Comes in, I got it in a 1.8 tip, basically for my primers, my high builds. Like, share, and subscribe to me, YouTube. Tell me what you think about these two Mawatas right here. I can tell you, YouTube, that WS is an animal. This LS, I mean, they both spray so flat. People be talking about solder. I mean, if solder can give a finish like that and come down on them prices, hey, anything's possible. Got this Black Widow right here. Comes in a 1.3. This is another good gun, YouTube. I basically use this for my clear gun. I believe they now coming up with where you can get another needle combination. So, you know, that's a bonus. Because like I said, if you go past your warranty with this, the only bad thing about it is you just assed out. You just got to eat that. You know what I'm saying? So my thing is pay for the warranty, and if they don't have any replacement parts, just go in the store and get another. This is some more of Harbor Freight's. These some good guns, YouTube, especially for your DIYs. They got their own resto little projects going on. And this HTE, all these three right here, these the Spectrum line. But to me, between the Black Widow and the HTE, I give a slight edge to the Black Widow. I think for me, it lays down the clear better than the HTE. I use the HTE basically for base. Both is a 1.3. Now we got this HVOP, another Spectrum. This is a 1.7. This is basically for primer gun, single stage or primer gun. I wouldn't push shooting heavy urethanes out of it, not with no 1.7. Let me keep it a thigh wild with you, YouTube. I mean, this is something I got off of eBay. It's made by a company called TCP brand. This is basically a primer gun. It's a 2.0 combination. There's nothing extravagant about it. It got a nice finish on it. Nice chrome finish. But I use this gun strictly just for that. Primer, high build. So tell me what you think, YouTube. This is the next gun I'll be spraying with. I just want to try out. I haven't sprayed with it yet, so I want to see what all the rah-rah is about. I'm gonna see if there's anything like his cousins over here. This is what that came with the Baleria, and the box it came with. Some simple, little instructions and cleaning brush. So tell me what you think, YouTube. Tell me what you think. Got some more upcoming projects on schedule. I'm trying to plug you in on that. Just been having a busy schedule. But tell me what you think, YouTube. Hope y'all being safe out there with this coronavirus going on. Tell me what you think about these helmets right here. This is with that Grant 7. This is with no buff required. I mean, he means what he say. All right, you two, let me get up out of here. Peace.